Do you need a whip? What's she say?
Don't be whipping my horse. What are you talking about, whip? You whip this horse? Alright, Hannah and Pace are going home. Alright. Animal abuse in place.
Look, look.
You just got the turbo booster is what I like to call that thing.
Look at this cute little trot. Oh my gosh.
Now lean back a little bit. Behind, no, I'm serious. Lean back behind the vertical and see if she'll try to toe. Lean back. More. Lift your hands a little bit. Lean back. And then squeeze.
She's so cute.